Today I am going to drive the construction workers and then build a house. Yesterday the construction crew taught me how to drive the construction vehicles and build a house. I can't wait to drive the construction vehicles and build the house. I am on my way to the train station. I love the train station. It's quiet and not many people. I love trains, especially Mr. Train Driver's train. Doom, doom, doom. I am on my way to the construction site. It would be awesome and incredible. I can't wait to be a construction worker for a day. Oh, I'm in the construction site. First, I'm going to drive the digger. It's the first time that I drove the digger. I'm putting bricks into the dump truck. It's the first time I did that job. Now I am going to drive the dump truck. It's going to be my first time that I'm going to drive a dump truck. Never driven it before. I love dumping things. Now I'm going to drive the cement truck. Oh, it's the first time that I drove the cement truck. Driving the cement truck is fun. I'm pouring cement. Oh, I am going to build the house now. Can't wait to build the house. It's going to be awesome, incredible, amazing. Well, I finished building the house. Now I'm going to drive the mobile crane. It was the first time that I drove the mobile crane. I'm going to pick up the roof. I love operating and delivering the roof to the house. I'm operating. Oh, I finished building the house. Yeah, I did a great job. Everyone's gonna love the house, I hope. Yay, woohoo. Yay, I did a great job. I love being a construction worker. Oh, hey. Today I'm going to steal a dump truck. I've never stolen one before, but I've stolen other construction vehicles before. Ho. I love stealing vehicles, my favourite thing to do. Oh my gosh, Mr. Bad Guy has stolen a dump truck. I'm going to ring Mr. Policeman so he can arrest Mr. Bad Guy. Ring. Ring. Okay, Mr. Red, I'm on my way. And of course I'll arrest Mr. Bad Guy immediately. I'm going to chase him first. Don't worry, I'm coming. Stop, in the name of the law. That dump truck doesn't belong to you. It belongs to the construction site. Stop, in the name of the law. I said stop. No, never, Mr. Policeman. Oh, you always say that, Mr. Bad Guy. I don't. You do. I'm not going to have an argument, Mr. Policeman. Okay, Mr. Bad Guy. Oh no, crashed into my forest. You should never steal things in the first place. I'm sorry, Mr. Policeman. You should be sorry. In jail. In you go. Get me out of here. No way. Say the date again.